Hello, good evening everyone. Today I'm going to show you on a walking tour around the Causeway Bay area here in Hong Kong. Currently it is around 5:30 in the afternoon and we are walking up this slope. A lot of the buildings here on the Causeway area are built along these slopes. After a bit of walking, we have found this park here and decided to have a short rest before head on to explore the other parts of Causeway Bay area here in Hong Kong. After around 30 minutes of resting here, it's time to move on with some more energy already. Now going to explore the other parts of Causeway Bay area. Just checking out what this whole area looks like and to show you. Ferrari. Đây, 这边要下，这边下。这边下。这边下。好吃的。哦，这个 famous 好像 for 它 milk tea 啊。
好吗？
milk tea 这个，就这个也要 try 嘛。 啊，这是它的很 famous 的 milk tea. Walking here, suddenly I stumbled upon Lam Fong Yuen. This is the famous place for the milk tea. 哟，看一下，應該乾咗，乾咗啊？點啊？They are almost closing, but they still serve some food, so why not just check this place out before they close for the day.
Hello. Hello.
好像那 Hollywood Mirror 也是这个附近。This place is famous for their milk tea and some sandwich and toast. This is what we ordered, the milk tea, and also they only accept cash here.
可以吗？菠萝油是哪个料？菠萝油就这个。这个。我不想这个要不要？这个包。有这个菠萝油。这个是什么？你说的包。没有图片。在哪里？没有图片。哦，没有。
This is what the ham sandwich looks like, and also on the wall are some newspaper cuttings, probably from the visits of famous celebrities here in Hong Kong. And alright, after our meal, it's time to head out to explore more of Causeway Bay area. Oh. Yo. Somewhere nearby. 这条 street 下去就是了，这个 street 下去，那边去那个 mirror 好了，就这过后就 lucky 了。我说这条上去之后 ，mirror up 这条啊。I noticed that I'm very near the Hollywood Street where there are some of the mural art of some of the former celebrities like Marilyn Monroe, Frank Sinatra, and I think Charlie Chaplin, if I'm not mistaken. So we're walking there first. foot massage 228，100多块一次。哦，这是其中一个 mirror 啊。我看一下啊，这边。这两边而已啦，已经。还有不然这边的人我不错，我挺喜欢的。我想拍一个绿人。哦。他在那边做肯定。嗯。应该了，哇！哇，这里那边出去。你刚才有拍到没？有啊。Just now that was this stall where the owner, I think she just suddenly said stood there and then shouted no photography or something and food should not be taken. I think that place is quite famous to do that. So far in Hong Kong, a lot of places the people are quite kind except for this one. Oh, okay. 这个就是山 build 下去的，车。So this is part of the whole journey around here, Causeway Bay area. We are actually heading to Luckin Coffee. I'm still searching for it at the moment. This vlog will end very soon, so do watch the next vlog. It will be more about the Ding Ding tram. The Ding Ding tram is only available at the Causeway Bay area. It is one of the oldest transportation here in Hong Kong. I think it has been more than 100 years since the British introduced it here in Hong Kong. Ah? 你应该只是吃东西，不懂哦，怎么来review马路？OK 啦，管他。我不管了，这样演在那边，那个人家会觉得他是。小心啊！啊 ，OK。嗯。对对对。哎，好像这边有厕所啊。 要去吗？我这样看是不用了。可是这要坐手很奇怪，还要走下去。对。